Welcome to the Learning Resource Center. If you're looking for subscribed databases, go to the following webpage: library.umt.edu.pk. Now click the Learning Resources tab and then click eDatabases at the left of the page. Here is the complete list of the databases subscribed by UMT. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search in JSTOR database. JSTOR offers a high-quality, interdisciplinary archive to support scholarship and teaching. When you open JSTOR through UMT Network, you do not need any institutional login. This is mentioned that access provided by University of Management and Technology. Now click the search bar and write down your search query for a simple search and then press enter. Always select the option Content I Can Access so that you may get the full text documents. And then select the Journals option. You can check the number of the results. Now click the Highlight Download button and access the full text article. Now have a look on Advanced Search. You will find multiple searching options. Now put the same query in the search bar and select the Item Title option. You will get more refined results. If you want to specify the publication time period, write down the both ends of time period and get more refined results.
To find more specific results, apply some commands in the advanced search like quotation marks, apply inverted commas in the start and end of the search query, and also select item title. Also apply Boolean operators, for example, and or not to get more specific results. To download the full text article, click the Highlight Download button. Full text document will be opened in the browser. Now click the download icon and save the document in your device. Thank you.